I'm Rob from Bones Fabrications. We're going to be doing a review on the Fuji spray guns. Massive thanks to SP Suplies for giving us a set to put through the paces. First thing with unboxing them is they look very my first spray gun, but when you actually get into using them, they feel really good in your hand, and they are up there with the lead brands. The atomization and the spraying of the gun and the material that's used is absolutely amazing, and also the price of them is really appealing, so don't dismiss the Fuji. But back to today's video, we're going to use the HVLP for base coat, and we're going to use Spectral Wave 2.0 for our base, and then we're going to use the RP equivalent, and we're going to go on with Noble 505 000, and we'll let you know how we get on. The gun performed really well applying base coat. I'm unsure of the actual settings with the Noble Wave base coat, but I've just used what I do before, which is reduce it 30% on the drop coat, and it seemed to be okay. It doesn't look patchy or hazy, so I'm really impressed with it. I like the clear gun so much that I decided to paint this Chevy 3100 with it. Really impressed with it as a lacquer gun. I feel the fan could be a little bit wider, but the nice thing is because the fan adjustment is on the side of the gun, it's easy to use in tight places, so you don't need to use a mini jet or any other gun. You can just use one gun for a complete body shell, which is really useful. So 2 coats clear down. Really impressed with this gun. SP Supplies are running 25% off with a promo code, so go and check them out. But big thumbs up from us on this video. Like, subscribe, share the video if you like. We got the other Aston Martin video coming out soon, so if you guys give that a watch as well, that'd be awesome. Peace.